Alright, we're back. Let's see. So I got to tighten these up here now. Got good access to them right now. You got the headlight in there, forget it. Okay, I got to figure out this wiring situation here. This here needs to come up and be tagged into that one. These spade terminals go a little something else. I'm not sure where. Don't care too much, but we'll make it work. Let's see, what am I doing? I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, I need a small wrench. So I need to tighten up these little dinky nuts here without breaking them. They have little star washers on the nuts. They're called little captive nuts. So, alright. Let's figure out how much gorilla torque I'm going to put on these. It's going to piss me off when I break one. Wouldn't be the first time I've been pissed off. That's pretty tight. That one's not getting tight. That one did. Go back to the center one. Stop. I think it's getting tighter, but it's long. It's like 3 turns already, so let's not push it. Okay, that's mounted. Wiring. So we got a quick disconnect here that's unconnected. We got this thing here, which is a headlight. That goes forward. Okay, we got a couple of spade connectors over here that are dangling. Goes that way. Spotlights are connected. Somebody color coded these for me. I sure didn't do it. Should be another one floating around here somewhere. Don't see any more loose wires anywhere. There we go. Had to be under there somewhere. Okay. Alright. What a mess. Headlight goes there. Those go back in there. Flip that thing around over there like that. Gravity will hold it up. Same for you. Headlight goes there and shoves everything forward. Okay. The only thing I don't know where it goes is fender light. And now I know where it goes. It goes right to here. Because it's a wire missing the end. This is a wire with an extra end on it. Okay, so that is going to have to be fixed. So we need one of these. See what we got. I can't even get to my wiring. It's so full of junk over here. I don't know what I got. Okay. We need to go find electrical. It's right there. Underneath all this crap. That's heavy. Oh, that would never fall. All right, what do we got up here? No. know. Maybe. See what I did one day? Had nothing better to do. Okay, where's that piece I need? I don't know what I did with it. I lost it. I did something with it. Yep, I laid it down. Gone forever. Alright, well, it's a good thing we got the other end over here. Okay, this is a male. That means we need a female. Preferably in a red. Red. Connected. It'd be nice if it was insulated though. Red female insulated. We have male insulated, not female. That's kind of insulated, and it's red. I can live with that. Okay. Now there's a piece of shrink tune that fell off. Bam! That's under good. It's right here. It fell off when it broke. So if I put that back on the other side, the wrong side, by forcing it in here, then I can be triple insulated. The problem is I don't want to go in there. You just got to be forceful about it. There you go. Alright, now this one I just got to hook it into the one that's real short over here and have low access to. That shouldn't be a problem at all, will it? So it's this one right here. Okay, so we need some tools. We need a stripper and we need a crimper. Two of the things I have. Okay. Put that on before it falls over. Now, I wonder how this is supposed to be in here. I guess it just kind of goes up there. I think it's just tied to this, so it should be okay. Alright. Should be fun. Shouldn't be a problem at all doing this. First thing I do is cut off the crap. Crap's gone. Gotta figure out what size this is. And I always go big. It's easy to make it small. Smaller. When you cut it off, it's too big, you're screwed. Okay. That cut the insulation off, but not the red wire. So go smaller. You must have like 3 layers of insulation on that thing. Okay, that just went away. Okay, now we're down to what we need to. Now, how long is this thing? It looks like this is pretty long. So that means I can go a little bit longer than this here. Okay. Got a good 1/4 inch hanging out now. It's probably way too much, but we'll find out. Okay, where's this one matter where we're going to crimp at? Not per se. It's not going to go in there because there's too much insulation in there. So if I cut some more of that insulation off that's too damn big, like that much, Cut some shrink tubing off. Now we're down to a black wire, even though it's a red wire. Now let's see if it fits it. Oh yeah, that went in there pretty good. I was happy with that one. Our crimper. Always crimp on the back side. Get the old pull test. It passed. Okay. Now this just kind of comes up through here. You don't want it around the fork lock area for some reason. Which is the problem where it's hanging down low near the fork lock. Well, that didn't work. Pulled right off. Huh. Terminal broke. That's a new one on me. See, it's still crimped in there. Right where I crimped it. But it broke right off there. Came right off. That was a smooth move. Alright. That didn't pull off, it just ripped the wire apart. That was on there. The problem was something else wasn't happy. Okay, let's do this again. Cut the insulation off. The shrink tubing part. Nope, I cut too much. Alright. Now we got red wire this time. Get off red wire. A bit more. Get another one of these expensive piece of crap connectors. These are expensive too, these aren't the cheap ones. Okay. Alright, that didn't work. See, that time I didn't crimp it. I crimped it further to the outside edge, but it didn't crimp. Number 3. The wire's still on here. It's not going in far enough. There it goes. Okay, I'm going to crimp it like I did the first time. Way up on the inside where I like to do it. Maybe a little deeper this time yet. That did not work. So what's going on here?